Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Hi guys, our project title is Energy Hour Web Browsing on Smartphones. Next we are going to discuss about our abstract. We identify the special characteristics and address our consumption issues through two novel techniques. First we recognize the computation sequence of web browser when loading a web page so that the web browser can first run the computational, then it will be generate a new data transmission and retrieve these data from the web server. Then the web browser can put the wireless radio interface into low power state, release the audio resources, and then the running in the remaining computations. Second, we introduce the partial data mining based on to predict the user reading time of web pages, based on which the smartphone which to low power state when reading time is longer than the threshold. To demonstrate the effectiveness of our energy aware approaches, we develop the Android mobile phones like T-Mobiles and UMTS networks. Now we discuss our flow diagram. The first we are going to enter our web URL. After that, what we have to enter like this: open in web browser. Next process is calculate time. Here we have to calculate our time. How many times will be taken from the web browser. Here we calculate. After that we have to get our source code. Here we have to getting our source code. Next process is get our partitioning code. After completing this process, construct DOM tree. Here we have to consider our DOM tree. After completing this process, optimizing the links. Here we have to optimize our links into one. And next process is greebling and optimizing the media file. Here we have to open our optimizing in the media file. After completing this process, next process is rendering the formatted code. Here we have to render our code. After that render formatted will be completed. The next process is open in browser. The rendering code will be open in another web browser. And next we have to calculate our span time. After that we have to show our result. Now we are going to run our process on NetBeans. This is our process. We have to run start right click and get run file. Okay. Energy hour web browsing on smartphones. This is our title of the web project. Just click on the site. Okay, here we have to enter our initial web URL. Now I have to give www.programbreak.com. Here initially I will give the web URL, and next we have to click open web page. When I am click open web page, the web page will be created in our Chrome. Okay, just we have to wait. Here the programbreak.com, the file will be open. Then next we are going to here the time taken. Here we have calculate our time also. The next we are going to get our source code. This is the source code of that link. The next we have to store our source code. Okay, the next process is partitioning data. This is our web URL. The next we have to parsing our data. This is we want to get a parsing data. And next process is construct tree, DOM tree. Here we have to construct. This is head of information, this is body of information we get. And next we have to optimizing our link. We just wait for that. Here we have to optimizing our link. Okay, the next process is here we have to find out our GUI links. After completing GUI links, the web page will be the web image will be created in our source code file. Just I have to open. I have to show you. Yes, this is the web image of our link. The next process is rendering web page. Now we have to render our web page here. Okay, after rendering process, again we open a web page. Okay, just we wait. Yes, it will be open. This is our rendering page. After that we have to clearly got our output. This is time taken for the web URL, and this is before and this is after. Thank you.